Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Boy JX here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get waves in a very simple way. So let's just hop in it. Before we start the process, I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need. First, you'll need a shampoo. So this is the shampoo I use at the moment. You need a comb and a detangling brush. Comb and then detangling brush. When we're inside the video, I'll show you what these are used for. So the next thing you're going to need are brushes. This is the most basic thing you will need as a waver, hairbrush. If you don't use a brush, forget it, your waves are not coming. So I have with me my hard brush, my medium brush, and then my soft brush. And then there's my durag. Yeah, there's the durag, and then I have a wig cap here. So as you can see, my hair is already in a mess, so we're just going to start with the process. First, you wash your hair twice. What did I say? So let's get into the washing. Shower time. So as I said earlier on, twice, so we're going for the second wash. Now you take your comb while your hair is wet, you just comb it out. Comb your hair into the direction you want your waves. FYI, I was a 360 waver, but now I've stopped for obvious reasons. Now I'm doing 180, so I brush all my hair forward. As you can see, this is the direction I want the waves to go, so I brush it in that direction. So if you're a 360 waver, you just comb in the 360 direction. If you're a 540, you just comb in the 540 direction. That's all. But 180 is the basic ones. So if you're a beginner here, just comb in the direction you want your waves to go. I know a lot of professionals are watching me over here. Now when you're done, you take your shampoo and then you just apply it again in the direction you want the waves to go. That's the direction you combed your waves. So you apply the shampoo in that direction. Now when you are done applying the shampoo, you take your detangling brush, and then you brush in the direction you want your hair to go. Now the main reason for using the detangling brush is to loosen the hair. You see some of the hair become locks in there, so you loosen them with the detangling brush. Apply more shampoo to it. Now listen, don't forget to get yourself a mirror. I'm using the camera, my phone, as my mirror, so make sure that whilst you're doing this, you get a mirror to steady your process wherever the things are going. So you apply the shampoo again to your hair. As you can see, my waves are already showing in here. And then you take your hard brush or your medium brush, wherever you want to start from, but basically start from the hard. I have my hard brush here, so I'm just going to start laying the hair down. Okay. You apply more shampoo, because the main reason why we're adding more shampoo is because it's the lather that lays the hair down. It holds the hair down. You could just use water, but your hair wouldn't be held down, so you use the shampoo and the lather in there to lay the hair down. You understand? So you take your medium brush and then you continue with the brush, and as you can see, the waves are already showing So you just continue. Now, as you can see, I'm almost done with the brushing. My hair is getting laid down, the waves are already showing. So I apply more shampoo for more lather, and then I use my soft brush to lay the hair down. You get it? To lay the hair down, and then I tie my durag, and then I'm good to go. As you can see, the waves are already showing. I have a lot of forks in there to work on. So these are just basics, you get it. Okay, so I have my soft brush here. I just start. So as you can, so with a soft brush, just laying the hair down. As you can see, we got lots. You see, I have plenty lather in here. So as you can see, my hair is really laid down. The waves are really showing. So you make sure the lather, see that, some royal lather here. Now the hair is laid out, so we tie our durag. As you can see, the lather is in there, the waves is showing. Now our rag is intact. We just go in for the wash, and then you have to wash everything out. Make sure you wash all the shampoo out. Yeah, so let's just go into the shampoo. So when you're done with the showering, you clean your hair, and then you leave it to dry. If you have a dryer, you can use the dryer to dry it, and if you don't have a dryer, you can sleep with it overnight. You can just wait the whole day, depending on the time you're done, to get it dried. And then yeah, where's my wake up? And then yeah, so most people use wave caps. So far I haven't gotten some to buy, so I just use a wave cap. For more compression, you get it. For more compression, if you like to, you can use a double durag. You can rag twice. So I put on a wave cap, and then I leave it to dry. So okay guys, so if you found this video helpful, go down in the comment section, drop a comment. If you don't understand anything, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. See you in the next video.